You work all day, but at night, you feel like you did nothing. This is real. Hours pass, you open tutorial, you write code, but at the end, nothing feels done. You feel stuck, not lazy, just lost. Then one small thing change. 5 minutes every night, just writing down your day. Did one habit fix everything? Do you track your progress every day or does your work just disappear? Comment track right now. Let's see how many people need this. Here is the simple 5 minute system. Step 1. Write one thing you learned today. One line of code counts. Step 2. Write one problem you face. Your brain will fix it overnight. Step 3. Write one goal for tomorrow. Just one, not five, not 10. Use Notion, use your phone notes, use AI tools to do it even faster. Works for mobile app development, works for freelancing in 2026. I also use these 5 steps, 5 minute system. Comment 5 minutes below 20 minutes and the full video is coming. Full system, full breakdown, no fluff, just real step. Save this now. Share it with one friend who works hard every day but feel no progress at night.